on, guys? Andrew Edwards here, editor-in-chief of GearLive.com. I just got out of Microsoft's Xbox media briefing here in 2018. I'm going to give you the full rundown of what just went down in there. I know you're not trying to see my face right now, so let's just jump into the games.
This is the Xbox E3 2018 briefing.
300 years after our great nation began, we gathered together to honor the completion
of Vault 76, so that if the bombs do come, our way of life will endure.
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong.
You must rebuild. Not just walls, not just buildings, but hearts and minds, and ultimately, America itself.
Exclusive.
I sense that you brought me something to inspect. Show me. The waves of change roll throughout the seas, and a new land is revealed. The forsaken shores. You just wanted to know how much it was worth, didn't you? Fine, I'll give you 10 for it.
Exclusive. World premiere.
I am excited to show you the world premiere of Forza Horizon 4. Forza Horizon 4 features dynamic seasons in a shared open world. Forza Horizon 4's Britain is a shared open world. When you play with the entire community. And it's easy to interact with the people you meet. Forza Horizon 4 is coming to Xbox One and Windows 10 on October 2nd, and I am thrilled to announce that it will be included in Xbox Game Pass on the same day.
We know that exclusive games from our Microsoft studios are what originally turned so many of us into Xbox fans. I'm proud to introduce the creation of a brand new Microsoft studio, The Initiative. I'm excited to welcome Undead Labs to Microsoft Studios. This studio caught our attention with their visionary approach to building a zombie survival franchise. It's my distinct pleasure to announce that we have acquired Playground Games. This is one of the highest rated studios of this generation. Not only will Playground Games continue to work on Forza Horizon, they're bringing their open world expertise to an entirely new project. We can't wait to share more about that later. It's my personal honor to welcome Ninja Theory to Microsoft Studios. And yes, we've got a fifth studio to announce, Compulsion Games. 2 years ago, we premiered a game we couldn't get out of our heads. We Happy Few is nearing its full release to gamers everywhere.
Why are you all wearing those ridiculous new masks?
You should get one. They shape your face into a smile, and when you smile, you can't help being happy.
If you force people to have the emotions you want, then you've turned them into robots made out of meat. Where is it? Where's the blackberry?
People won't face that. Not until we take their joy. And when we do that, they'll murder each other in the street.
Xbox Game Pass, a way to give gamers the ultimate freedom to play. So for the last year, we've been working on how to give you faster access to all those games. We leveraged the machine learning expertise we have at Microsoft and invented a way to start your games twice as fast. And naturally, we're calling it Fast Start. I'm pleased to announce that Fast Start will launch for select titles in the June update coming later this month.
World premiere.
This is a trial from the heavens above.
Hey, honey. Need assistance?
Hey, you have to hit every single bump in the road?
Yeah, he's a real pro at smacking demons around. That's why I built him that well-functioning arm. To kick demon ass.
Devil May Cry.
Exclusive. World premiere.
They're back.
World premiere.
Today we're announcing Gears Pop, a collaboration with our friends at Funko to bring a unique mobile spin to the world of Gears. I'm excited to also announce the true Gears of War PC experience in a completely different genre, Gears Tactics. It's our take on the classic turn-based strategy genre, and of course, it wouldn't be a Gears game without a massive boss battle. Our most ambitious Gears of War title yet, Gears 5.
For months now, I've been having these dreams. Nightmares. But I think they were messages.
A necklace? That's a locust symbol. Yes, so. She would never be our enemy by choice. I know that.
Because she would die for us.
I know that. But what if it's not her choice?
Hey. What are you...
Why did you come here with me? What did JD tell you?
In 2077, they voted my city the worst place to live in America. Can't deny it, it's all true. But everybody still wants to live here. It's a city of dreams. And I'm a big dreamer.
after Microsoft's E3 media briefing, I was able to hit the stage and go hands-on with some of the games that they announced. The different seasons in Forza Horizon 4 definitely add a new and unique feel to the game. The new Kingdom Hearts finally coming to the Xbox is a big deal, and that was one of the games people were most excited to get their hands on. I even got to check out the new Xbox adaptive controller up close and personal. By the way, big shout out to the Microsoft Store employees. One employee per store was brought out to E3 to man Microsoft Store booth where they launched the new Xbox merch line. I picked up some merch, but unfortunately this gold Lancer was not for sale.